Alright, so you know what I'm saying? I took the belt off. This shit was just spinning, so I had to get that bit back on. So now we, you know what I'm saying? Now we getting that bitch up. I broke that one already. Oh, shit.
Sit down.
Mom.
Broke that bit. You know what I'm saying? This shit hot as hell, nigga. Feel me? You getting that shit done, eh? Doing a quick not thermostat, water pump replacement.
You gotta restart.
That's right there. Almost done. Yeah. Feel me? She peed a little bit. Finna get back to it though. Alright. I just got that piece off. Now it's just 1, 2, 4 bolts. I think 5. And that shit gonna be out. I'll get the new one in. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be running good again. I'm not fucking going in low power mode. We're gonna be chilling. Real quick, how you know if your water pump is bad? If it spins, and you can also spin it with this piece on, so you don't have to take anything off. But you just have to take the belt off. But if you spin it and it just spins like that, it's not good. Because if you spin this one, that shit don't go nowhere.
Can't do it.
That's how it's supposed to be. So that's how you know. Just letting you know.
Yeah, vibing.
I'd rather just use this. Might as well.
Chilling in the car seat, holding the light. Rate my light holding 1 through 10.
Oh, there's another bolt.
Wow. Okay. Here.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, so we still got one more bolt, but we got all the other ones out. I think that's another one right there. No, it's not. No, the other one's all the way. It's all the way down there. If you would get out my way. Broke that hoe.
Broke that motherfucker.
Put that hoe in 0.5. One figure. Oh.
Why you don't be ending them? Okay?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, there we go. Alright, now you should be able to get it off. Look at my little area up here. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot going on. I took this shit off. That shit, you know what I'm saying? That shit.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
She paid.
She paying.
Okay, that's the old one. And then we're gonna put, oh, where'd she go? Don't put the hoe on my feet. Gonna put
Get
her
the
in
new
here.
one in. I got the gasket. Don't forget to put the gasket on. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna put it on. Hold this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Match the shape.
Okay. Alright, there we go. Certain way you gotta put it on. Let's get the bolts.
We're gonna put that head on the.
Pre-put like at least 2 bolts. Alright, I'm gonna do one first. Then I'll do another one. Just to line up the gasket properly. Which way this bitch go in though? Trying to line up the shape. If you can see, it has this curve, and then right here, it has a curve. But like, I'm trying to line it up. Perfect. It's probably gonna be that one. No, that's not right. That's not getting on the gasket. Nah, that's not.
I think it goes the other way.
Fuck.
Don't drop the thing. Minor inconvenience. Hold on.
Look at this one. Which way is that? Up and down. Okay. It's right under it.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Try to line up the gasket. I'll get this bolt. I don't think this bolts in. There we go. Get another bolt.
And there's another one right here too.
Okay. What the fuck? There we go. My arms are still tired from work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's another one at the top you need.
Oh, that I'm missing?
It's right there.
Oh, yeah. Can't see that shit. Should be good. There you go. Now we're gonna put this piece on. Don't throw this away. Unless you bought a new one.
Ow.
And then this is gonna go. These four are gonna go in these four. It's that easy.
Don't lose your bolts. Get them on there hand tight.
And then you're gonna wanna put the belt on so you can tighten them all the way. To save you some trouble, start from the bottom with putting the belt on before you come to the top. It'll make it so much easier. Come over here, man.
Oh.
Like,
Is it where you need it?
alright, we got that one.
Go back
Come back over here.
No, don't mind the dogs.
What?
I just fell in front of all these dogs.
Alright, come on.
Okay.
Hit the light. Fucking back hurts.
It's okay. Page 3 fixing your car.
Light up. Over here.
Where? Right there?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Get the big wrench. Open that up. Go down some.
It's like sideways.
Put it right.
Oh.
Okay. Make sure y'all don't get the belt on this lip, or that shit will not go on here. So just make sure. And then also look, I gotta fix that too. If you start it with it like that, it ain't going in pretty. And look at this too. You gotta make sure. You know what I'm saying? Fix this. Fix that. Over here. Get that. Bam.
Bam.
Just like that. And feel around. Make sure you don't feel it coming over any lips.
All good?
Over here. Check this one.
You can't really see that one. Oh, look, there it is right there.
I think I probably should.
What?
Let me see.
You on that side?
I think this can come over some. Nah, it's in there. All right, that one's good. Everything's good.
Now we have
So
to,
tighten it.
yep, and connect everything back.
Where did it go?
That, this,
Where did it?
what? I don't know what you're looking for.
Medium.
This,
No, that's a small one.
that's the big one. You think it fell under the car?
All right, man. What the fuck? It's right here. Got it. All right. Tools running away.
Right now with the medium wrench, you're gonna go and do that.
All these bolts were 10 millimeter sockets, so 10 millimeter bolts, so super easy. Tighten that down, not too much. All right. Now we're gonna reconnect this shit.
Fix the kinks and shit in it.
I could not get this fucking clamp off because like it's at the bottom, and this is the tool I'm working with. So like it don't go away. So I did it from down here. It's a lot easier.
Who on that side? That's a lot of fucking coolant.
Yeah.
think it went all the way back on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
All right, now we got
This thing, you have to put this back.
this goes in here.
Oh. You don't want to put that back first?
No.
So you don't have to slide under there?
No. All right, look.
Oh, that's where it goes.
This piece just pops back in there. And we're gonna get that back on there. Get that back on there. Screwdriver. I think this can go on some more.
I think it like goes into that, like lines up with this.
Yeah, that's what I think.
And then I think that's it.
Alright, we're gonna call that good.
Did you do this one again?
Not yet. What the fuck? I thought that was happening for me tightening it. Alright. Alright, that should be good.
Yep.
Got that plugged in. I'm pretty sure that's all I unplugged.
I think so. We just look
See
at
this.
everything.
That's about it. Nope. I gotta fix that.
What?
I gotta fix that. Y'all see that gap right there? See, if I would have started it, everything would have been fucked up.
Wait, what happened?
It's not on the thing all the way. So put the light in here.
Right there?
A little more this way.
That way?
Yeah. Above. Put the light over here. Yeah. Should be good. You suck at recording. Alright. I got it on there though. Now everything's good. I got no coolant though, so I'm not gonna start it until tomorrow. I'll get more coolant.
Show them where you put the coolant. You don't even know. What?
Right there.
I
Wait,
don't know.
it's this one. It's this one. Alright, I'm not
What is
perfect, but you
this?
feel me?
What's that? Where does that go to?
Not too sure. But yeah, man, that's about it. Job done. Put coolant in it tomorrow. I'll let y'all hear the code start, you feel me? Just like that, you feel me? Got everything back. On the beatbox, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, all that shit wet as fuck, man. Wet as fuck, she peed. But I got that bitch on there. Get some coolant tomorrow. I'm not gonna start it right now, but I'm gonna get coolant tomorrow and start it. See how she runs. Should be fixed, hopefully. All right, next day. I'm looking for a funnel for the coolant. I don't want to spill everywhere. God damn, I can't open this shit. What's up, buddy? I don't have a funnel. Yeah. That's it right there?
The only place that OD is in the trunk.
You have everything.
Yeah, I don't gotta talk or front of you. Ain't no way.
Yeah, there's no way. I'm just gonna freehand it. Fuck it. I mean, I spilled everything. Okay. Last night. So.
I told you you're supposed to be recording this horizontal. You want to put you on game?
Well, we're about to switch it. Let me know.
You're not holding it good.
There's no good way to
Yes,
do
there
it.
is. Come right here. Sit.
Man, bro,
Right,
you have
stand
a
right here, bro.
bottle funnel.
Bro.
This shit empty, bro. Hell no, cut.
You want me to do it?
Hell no, cut.
Cuz, I could do that, cuz. Cuz, you just gonna have to thug it out, cuz. There you go, cuz.
Gangster. Oh.
Cuz, steady hand, cuz. You don't have a towel to wipe that shit down with? How much are you supposed to put?
Well, you'll see. Squeeze the hose. Or here, so you can get your hand dirty.
Bro, G shit right here. Bro, V6 shit right here. You know, I got a V6 too. Yeah. We could pop my trunk too. I'm in my hood. My hood. Look at it. Look, bro. Right here, you can see where it's filled up to.
Yeah.
You can see on the bottom right there.
It's going down.
Right there. Ah, right. GD. Keep going.
I'm letting it like. I don't want to just.
You can see it right here.
It's airy.
Like on the bottom of this shit, it's clear. And you can see the liquid. So yeah, I know that already.
You can see it moving every time I squeeze it.
Oh yeah? Every time you squeeze it?
Yeah, it's
Every
eating,
time
it's eating that shit.
Every time you squeeze it, you can see it?
Yeah.
It's eating that shit up?
Yeah, it's eating that shit.
That's crazy. Yeah, never let this guy work on your car.
Alright, bro. Hey, I'm a semi-professional.
I think you're good now. Look, watch it.
Watch it.
You said watch it like something's gonna happen. I don't see shit happen.
Could just be.
Da,
Could just be.
Mama.
Could just be. Scared me a little bit.
God, dude. You need a rag to wipe this shit down, bro. Dude, you spilled so much.
Oh, she dirty, bro. It's not a race car.
I just hit her. I just hit her. I hit her.
Alright, that should be good. Alright, now we finna start it.
Yeah, and then it's gonna blow up. Because you fucking spilled it all. You're gonna leave this here? I know. Right in that motherfucking pot. Wait, that's not a pot. But we take it. That's what I need my shit to sound like. That's gonna fucking.
That's from all that cooling. Don't get scared when you hear that. It's not broken. She on there, man. Running smooth. Let's see what she's saying. Oh, yes. It's working. I got a fucking, probably got another fucking nail on my shit. Look at that. Bullshit. Yeah, seems to be working fine. Tight shit. Tight shit. You feel me? Hell yeah. Before it would just, it wouldn't even like chill right there. It would just shoot up. Straight to 210. Should we go test it? Gotta clean my fucking card. We're gonna go drive to Discount and get air in my tire and test it. Get in, bitch.
Don't even open up.
Gotta be a man. Nah, it's probably locked. Oh wait, I locked it. Nigga, I ain't even popped the trunk. I know, bro. Let's go clean them.
What you really should do is clean this car.
I know. We're about to.
No, you're about to.
Oh yeah. Still sitting.
Type shit.
Good. You feel me?
Type shit.
Yeah. You see? You know what I'm saying? tight shit. I'll just let it run normal first. Let that cool and get through.
Oh.
Everything running good?
Running good, everything.
Running good, everything?
Dana.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, me and this truck on the same time, and look, we not waiting at no light, guys.
Lights not even that long.
Could be true. Oil pressure is looking. It could just be more reactive, honestly.
Bro, I got the shortcuts at discount time.
This is where I work.
Any baddies come through whenever you're working?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Just oh, you're a bitch. They blow my nose right now. Said pause.
Hello, sir. Things on mountain.
What's up, big dog?
Hold on. No. Still doing it.
Doing what? Doing what?
overheating
What's overheating?
the car.
Because you spilled all that shit.
And then it does that shit.
Oh, shit.
But it's not actually overheating though. Oh, I don't know. I hope this is.
Car geeking.
Well, here we are again. Still fucking doing it. Still fucking up. So, that did not fix it either.